I think that with the stress going on to our life, allowing this to unfortunately take over, whether it's a hard job or a hard social situation or other, unfortunately, diseases that we're dealing with. So we always have to see what's the overall impact on our well-being. So where is my weight right now based on this? Did I basically, am I in a regular healthy weight? Or some people go into underweight from the stress, they don't eat, and some people are actually, like, unfortunately, of course, go into the metabolic syndrome. That's the more common overeating or emotional eating. So how much is this affecting my weight? How much is affecting, as you mentioned, what's my blood pressure? We are not going to measure the blood pressure multiple times a day to monitor this, but with your routine physical, with your doctor, or if you get blood pressures being checked at other places. So what is my average weight, my weight right now? What's my blood pressure? Where is my blood sugar? Where is the waist circumference and the amount of the abdominal fat I'm dealing with? But these are mostly looking into the metabolic outcomes. However, there are other outcomes that unfortunately we cannot detect unless, unfortunately, it already leads to end organ damage, like people having from the amount of stress on top of someone who's already predisposed and having predisposition, for example, for coronary artery disease, then they end up having a heart attack. And there are some cases that's just takotsubo, basically. It's just mostly based on emotional more than the cholesterol deposition.